Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to unlink Faceit account from Steam. Make sure to watch until the very end to make sure you don't miss out on any of the important steps. Alright, let's begin. The first things is of course, pull up any browser that you would like to use. Now I'm going to be using Google Chrome for this video, and there's no need for you to download or launch the Faceit program. You can definitely do this on a Faceit official website. Now on your browser, just go to Faceit and just choose on the first result that's going to be there on Google Chrome. Now once you're here, make sure that you are fully logged into your account. And once you're logged in, all you have to do is just to click on your user profile right here and go to account settings. Now once you're in account settings, go to integrations, and these are going to be the social networks, game platforms, and other platforms that you can connect your Faceit account with. So since we were talking about the Steam right here, all you have to do to disconnect or unlink it if it is connected. There is going to be a disconnect button that's going to be there. So the reason why it's showing connect is because I haven't or I did not connect my Faceit account to Steam. So to unlink or to disconnect it, just click on that option right there and it will automatically be unlinked from Steam. And that's it, you are done.